Hey folks, and welcome back. I'm Ty Farrell from OutlawHue, and this is part 3 of the Making of Marcus Aurelius and Zbrush. Alright, as I talked about, in the other videos, I like to bounce around from subtool to subtool. I'm sure most of you like doing that too. I spend a lot of my time around the eyes of the character. I find that it's just a part that's like the most interesting, and if that part doesn't work out, the character's going to fail, to me, my opinion. But in this one, you'll see I'll stick with the high polish brush for the face for the most part. I'm starting to get a more stylized look to the sculpt. I wanted to have a blocky feel to it, and I'm trying to keep the strokes in the direction of the contour of the face and in the muscle of the human face as well. All right, I find that when you do this, you get the best results when it comes to making a face. The strokes have this lasting effect that go from stage to stage as you're sculpting, and it really shows through at the end. Most of the time here, though, I will be spinning on the hair. I really use that damn standard brush a lot. And I'm also going to be using clay buildup brush. All right. First thing I'm going to do is the damn standard brush. I'll use it to outline the paths of the curls in Aurelius's hair. After I'm done, I'll go back with the clay buildup brush and I'll turn the alpha off. I find this gives me a nice chunky buildup to really start making the base shape of the hair. So I'll start with low pressure on my stylus, and I'll increase the pressure as I get to the end of his curls. Then I go back again with damn standard brush and I refine the outlines, and I add more hair separation with the damn standard brush. And once again, I'll go back in with the clay buildup brush and I'll make the brush smaller, and I'll do the same thing. I'm just looking to separate the hair a bit more, but it's the same paths. So it's all a process, and it's all getting things tighter and tighter. And I'll usually do this for a few rounds, maybe 1 or 2 rounds, maybe even 3. And the brush just keeps getting smaller, and the hair gets more separation, more refinement. And I find this is a good artist style of creating sculpted hair. Just putting the work in with the brushes, to me, is enough. You'll get the hair that you want when it comes to sculpted hair. If I need more depth in the curls, I'll usually mask out a portion of the hair, and I'll pull it either behind or in front of the other surrounding hair sculpt. And this will give me that more, it will definitely give me a good play on the shadows and give me more depth in the hair. And yeah, that's it. But you'll see what I'm talking about as the video goes, and I'll let the time lapse go at this point. And if there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.